Have you ever wondered what would happen if you ate just 1 tablespoon of a superfood every single day for 30 days? Sounds simple, right? But what if I told you, it completely changed my body and my mind? I'm talking about something so small, yet so mighty, it's often overlooked in the world of health and fitness. Yep. I'm talking about chia seeds. In this video, I'm going to take you on a 30-day journey, no fluff, no hype, just real results. By the end of this, you'll understand why these tiny black seeds have taken the health world by storm. Whether you want better digestion, glowing skin, weight loss, or just more energy, you need to hear what happened when I ate chia seeds every single day. This is Fitness Tips, and today, we're uncovering the real, raw truth behind one of nature's most powerful foods. Day 1 to 5, the surprising start. Let's start at the beginning. I added just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into my daily diet, usually in a smoothie or sometimes soaked in water overnight. I was told chia seeds are a miracle food, so naturally, I expected instant results. But guess what? For the first few days, nothing happened. I didn't feel different. I didn't look different. Honestly, I almost gave up by day 3. But here's where things took an unexpected turn. On day 4, something subtle started happening. My usual afternoon energy crash was gone. I didn't need that extra cup of coffee. I wasn't dragging myself through the day anymore. And by day 5, I realized something even more surprising. My digestion was already improving. For someone who struggled with bloating and irregular bathroom visits, this was huge. The fiber in chia seeds was already doing its magic. And this was only the beginning. Week 1. The energy boost. By the end of week 1, I was waking up feeling refreshed, even without my alarm. No more snoozing 5 times. I felt clear-headed in the morning. Focused. Energized. It felt like I had tapped into some hidden reserve of natural energy. You see, chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, plant-based protein, magnesium, and slow-digesting fiber, which means they give you a steady stream of energy instead of a quick spike like sugar or caffeine. They're also incredibly hydrating because of their ability to absorb water, up to 12 times their weight. And let me tell you, when those tiny seeds expand inside you, they keep you feeling full and hydrated. That energy rush I used to get from energy drinks? Chia seeds were giving me that, without the crash. No joke, I was starting to feel like a new person. All from a tablespoon of seeds. Week 2. The weight shift. I didn't plan to lose weight during this 30-day experiment. That wasn't my goal. But somewhere around day 12, I stepped on the scale and saw something that shocked me. I had lost 2.5 pounds, without changing anything else in my diet. And my belly? It looked flatter. Chia seeds, as it turns out, are one of the best natural appetite suppressants. They expand in your stomach, keeping you fuller for longer. That means fewer cravings, less snacking, and smaller portions, without even trying. But here's what really got me. I used to be someone who always wanted something sweet after dinner. That need for dessert? Completely gone. My blood sugar levels felt more stable. No more sudden cravings, no more midnight snacking. It was like chia seeds reprogrammed my hunger cues. This wasn't a crash diet. This wasn't calorie counting. This was real, effortless weight balance, just from adding a superfood to my daily life. Week 3. Skin, sleep and stress. Now let's talk about week 3, because this is when the results became visible. People around me started saying, "You're glowing. Did you change your skincare routine?" Nope, just chia seeds. What I didn't know before is that chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants, compounds that fight free radicals, reduce inflammation, and slow down aging. My skin felt smoother. My breakouts disappeared. Even the dark circles under my eyes looked lighter. But that's not all. My sleep, something I had struggled with for years, became deeper and more restful. I wasn't waking up in the middle of the night anymore. I felt more balanced, more calm, less anxious. The magnesium and tryptophan in chia seeds help regulate sleep and mood by promoting serotonin and melatonin production. It's like my brain was functioning better, sharper during the day, quieter at night. Who knew a tiny seed could do all that? Week 4. Digestion detox. By week 4, something incredible happened. Without being graphic, let's just say my digestive system was functioning perfectly. I felt lighter, more regular, and more clean inside than I had in years. Chia seeds are rich in soluble and insoluble fiber, which means they work on both ends of the digestive spectrum, bulking up stools, cleaning out the gut, and even feeding healthy gut bacteria. I used to feel bloated after meals, sluggish, uncomfortable. But now, my gut felt like it was operating on autopilot. This wasn't just about looking better, this was about healing from the inside out. My stomach was flatter, yes. But more importantly, I felt healthier than I had in a long, long time. Day 30. The final results. So here we are. Day 30. What started as a simple experiment turned into a full body transformation. I lost nearly 5 pounds, my energy levels were through the roof, my skin was clearer than ever, and I finally felt in control of my hunger, digestion, and mood. But do you want to know the craziest part? This wasn't a diet. I didn't starve myself. I didn't work out like crazy. I didn't take pills or powders or follow some influencer's strict plan. All I did was eat chia seeds. 1 tablespoon a day. That's it. This one change brought more benefits than I could have imagined. And that brings me to this. Why chia seeds work so well, the science. If you're wondering why chia seeds had such an impact, let's quickly break it down. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. 5 grams of fiber per tablespoon, great for gut health and feeling full, plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, reduce inflammation, support heart and brain health, complete protein. Yes, they contain all 9 essential amino acids, rich in magnesium, calcium, iron, and zinc, vital for muscle function, bones, and immunity, antioxidants, which fight aging, free radicals, and improve skin and cellular health. When combined, these nutrients work synergistically to transform your body at a cellular level, boosting metabolism, controlling hunger hormones, balancing blood sugar, and more. It's no wonder ancient Aztec warriors relied on chia seeds for endurance and strength. The name, Chia, even means strength in the Mayan language. So, after 30 days, would I recommend eating chia seeds every day? Absolutely. This isn't just another superfood trend. Chia seeds are backed by science, by history, and now, by my personal results. If you're tired of complicated diets, if you want a natural way to boost your energy, lose weight, feel full, and glow from the inside out, try chia seeds for 30 days. You might be shocked at what happens next. If you've made it this far, you're clearly serious about your health, and that's amazing. So let me ask you, have you ever tried chia seeds every day? Are you willing to take the 30-day chia challenge? Let me know in the comments, I read every one. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to Fitness Tips and turn on notifications. We post videos every week on natural ways to stay fit, feel good, and live longer. Thanks for watching, and remember, small seeds can lead to big changes.